Hello guys, and you see how we want to start this and make sure there is the fuel on the filter. This one, make sure you got this. When the first time want to do this, want to start this, make sure this we need to pump this one few times, like 5 times only. 1 2 3 4 5, and we cannot start when first time, maybe a few days never on this engine. So want to run in this one, so this one bring up, and then we start this one first. One time like that. So after that, don't forget to bring down. Okay, to bring down and make sure this one is on. Okay, already on. Okay, bring down the speed. Okay, whatever you want, bit, and then make sure when you pump a bit, about 3 times. 1 2 3, yes, 3 times, and we're ready to start this engine. This one, how to do it for first time to start or running this engine. So maybe we can keep this one running or 5 minutes, 10 minutes for make it hot. So keep maintain every day, so make it good engine for you. On 20 everything, and you press this one and have a look. Okay, this is a Honda brand, Honda 4-stroke, very good. Slash fuel 425 UMR, then Honda, and you can stop this one. Want to stop this, just press push off. Okay, it's good. Thank you.